Hello, my name's Simon Entwistle. I conduct a variety of guided tours. To make these tours a little bit more interesting, I create sound effects by mouth alone, which works very well on the coaches. Last night, I had a large bottle of wine. I caught the train to Manchester, which sounded just like this. I then popped into the dentist, a very painful experience. As I left the dentist, I saw a police horse galloping at great speed down the high street. I then heard a most unusual sound, the sound of an air raid alarm. And overhead was a helicopter. Followed by a single-engined aircraft. Thank you very much indeed.